what a beautiful day. I like this place. Okay, so what's up guys, this is my first video and I'm gonna show you a nice Nerf gun. That was the second, means third gun that is very good and little bit damage. See, my tablet is there, my scissor is there, my ear is there, my gloves is there, and some books. Okay. So here's the gun. I was showing you. This one has nothing put in there. Very heavy to put. So I'll show you. This is the bullets you can see here. I'll show you how to shoot. We can put our bullets in the nose. Where's that nose? Voila. So here's this. What is that? I know the but this is a magazine. Just remove it. Okay, it's not removed. Didn't remove. So heavy. Now this. I don't know what is this. For nothing. To catch. What is inside? Oh, just you can see there is dark. Orange. So this, I'll show you how to shoot. This camera is very lazy, so if you fall, see, this camera just punches me. Okay, so just do an aim. Where did that gun? Oh, here. Just a little bit price spring. Again. This camera is very lazy. So, this is... Oh, scissor. Where's that bullet going? Where? 3, 2, 2 a.m. Now, that bullet. Now, so you have to do a little bit. Put that bullets inside. Just go lazy, blitz. This was the emergency bullet. Okay, if you know this gun already, so guys, the video will stop here because it's too late and beautiful morning. Bye guys, see you later or next time. Little bit crack, huh?